Here is a New Year fried rice that got everybody overeating. It was paired with chicken. You want to know how I prepare this? Then continue watching this video to the end. Don't skip any part of it. This is Joy's Kitchen and Wellness. If you're just coming across this for the first time, just click on the subscribe button so you will not miss any of my future videos. So I started by boiling the chicken. So you want to wash your chicken clean after cutting to the size that you want, and then put it in a pot. Next was to add all the seasonings that I needed: the curry, seasoning cube, nor cubes, and then onions. Of course, I added water. Our chicken is ready, so as you can see, I'm already frying. And then I'm going to take the sauce. We are going to be adding this rice to it. I've already washed the rice. So I'm still going to add more knorr cubes to it. So just add peanut cubes. The knorr you are going to add depends on the quantity of rice, okay? Just make sure it corresponds with the quantity of rice that you are cooking. I think I made about 1 rubber here. I'm not too sure now. So season according to your taste. Now, after adding the seasoning, next thing is to put in the washed rice. As you can see, wash the rice clean, filter it, and then add it to the pot. Okay, so you make sure that when you are finished putting all the rice to the pot, that the water or the sauce covers the rice, and then we are going to cover it up and cook on low heat. Yes, we need low heat for fried rice. We don't need too much of heat. So after washing the rice into the pot, cover it up and then reduce the heat while you continue frying the chicken. This is Joy's Kitchen and Wellness. So I decided to check if the rice was ready after cooking for a while. So I test it now. So I'm not going to be adding any water to it again. I'll just cover it up and then allow it to dry. So here is it. It's all dried up. If you want to know if it is dry, just put a clean knife and it will come out clean. Then you know that it is dry. We don't want our fried rice to be burnt. So these are the veggies I'm using: green beans, cabbage. We have fried liver already diced, carrots, onions, green peas, green pepper. So we are going to stir fry all of them. So this depends on the quantity of rice you are cooking. So into a clean pot, I'm going to put some of the oil I used from frying the chicken. Okay, just put in small quantity. I don't want it too much. And then we are going to stir fry. So once it's hot, I'll start with the onions. I'm going to start with the onions. So I pour in the onions, allow it to fry small while stirring it. Okay, and next we add in the green beans. So you see it's frying. So I like to fry a little, then stir it. And then we add in the green beans. Okay, you add the green beans, you stir, allow it to fry for just for a few seconds, and then I went ahead to stir it. When you are stirring, make sure you use a wooden spatula. So that is it. Then I added the green peas. I didn't just put all of them at once. I added them one after the other. Next was the green pepper. Then I stir. Next was carrots. The cabbage is going to be last. So you just stir. Remember that we are stir frying, so you stir. As you can see, there's not too much oil on the pot. I use just small oil. So after a few seconds, I decided to add seasoning cube to the veggies. One thing I want to say is that when you're adding seasoning cube to your vegetables, try not to add too much because we already have enough cooked with the rice. Okay, so this is a fried rice recipe. It gave it the color. It made it to be yellow. So I want to also say another thing, that if you are using this, then there will be no need for curry. But I use both of them. Okay, but I just observe that for next time when I'm cooking, I don't think I'll be adding the curry because the color, it gave it the yellow color. So you can use just this and leave out curry powder, or you use the curry powder and leave this other one out. Please note that when you are frying your veggies, you don't need so much of seasoning powder because you already have enough on the rice, except maybe the rice is much. So I'll prefer that you mix the veggies with the rice first, test it before adding any more seasoning. So this is the curry powder that I was talking about. I still added the curry powder. So for next time, I don't think I'll add both. It was my first time using the fried rice, the other fried rice spice. So I wanted to know how it looks like. All right, so that was it. And then the last was the cabbage. I added the cabbage last. So the reason why I actually added that other seasoning was that I felt that the cabbage will absorb all the taste. Okay, so that was why I added that other seasoning. And then I added the diced liver. They just stir everything, and that is it. So this is our rice. I'm going to mix it, and then this is the veggies. As you can see, we don't have too much oil on it, just enough oil. So put the rice here first, and then so finally we get a big bowl, and then dish out the rice, part of the rice, and then part of the veggies. Just mix the rice and the veggie together in batches so that they can mix thoroughly. So I mix some on the bowl, as you can see, as I'm doing right now, and then I also mix the others on the pot, after which I just turn them together. So our fried rice is ready. So we pair this with chicken and then the drink. This is Joy's Kitchen and Wellness. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more food recipes like this. Have a prosperous new year.